What's up, guys? I just got my HMF installed on the Raptor 700. It's actually just slip-on. I didn't do the full. Probably do that later on, but right now all I need is a slip-on. This is the competition one. I got the optimizer all hooked up, grounded. So, I'll give you a little start test. So yeah, there goes the speed test. Okay, there's your speed test. I missed second quite a few times. Still trying to get used to that. I keep switching it into neutral instead of second. But this is a short little video on just a little review on the HMF slip-on I had. It gives it a lot more power, I think. And yeah, and also on the 4th of July, so in the next video, I'm gonna go to West Virginia. I'm gonna ride we're gonna have a big group ride, me and my family. My dad's gonna use his cow, 700. His needs to get serviced bad, so I'm gonna get his serviced. It's pretty beat up. And then also I'm gonna have a Razor 800. And by then I'll have my GoPro mount. I don't have my GoPro mount. I lost that. I gotta try and either find it or get a new one. Yeah, that's why I didn't use it when I was going up down the alley for the speed test. But nice little short video on my HMF right here. Yeah, be looking forward to that next West Virginia video. It's gonna be a big ride, lots of people, lots of fun, and yeah, well, see you guys later.